Hey guys, so you guys said in the comments that you guys want a car to my truck tour. So I'm gonna give you guys a truck tour, and make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So start it. So so I'm gonna tell you guys something. So D is for front. So, and R is for reverse, to go back. So, what you want to do with D, so we're going to do D. So, what you want to do is hold this, because if you don't hold it, you're going to probably crash there. Hold this, go all the way to D. I'm going to move slowly as possible. So, sorry guys, but it's just that it's like, this truck is hard because it's an old truck. My dad got it when I was when I was like 5 years old, so that's a long time. Okay, so there you have it for D. So number 2, we're gonna start with R. So we're gonna start with R, guys. And R is reverse, and R is tricky because I can't see it well, but I'm gonna look through that mirror. So let's get this thing. Reverse slowly. I'm looking as possible as I can. Possible. If I get really close to the garage, I want to be so mad. I'm just gonna do that. Okay. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. Peace.